Hey there my peeps, Grammy Tee from Grammy Tee Knows. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube short in Camtasia. Okay, so we're going to begin by opening up Camtasia, and I already have a file open. So I'm going to just click on here. And the next thing you want to do is go home. And the only reason why I'm having to do that is because I'm doing a screen recording, so I couldn't start at the beginning. Like, you would actually come here to Camtasia and click on the icon here. But I had to have it open so that I can do the recording. So the next thing and typically this is the screen that's going to come up when you first open Camtasia. And if you don't see that, you can always come here and choose your new project from here. So the next thing you want to do is choose your new project. Double click on it. And you're going to import your media in. And go to the footage, the place where you have your footage. And I know the files that I need, so it's 417, 419, and 420 that I'm going to be using, and then you just import it. And all the files will show up right here in the media bin. You want to come up to edit so that you can choose your project settings. This is where you're going to make this into a vertical short. So you would just come here to the drop down box and come right down here where it says vertical, and I'm going to choose large and then apply. Then you're going to drag your clips into the timeline. Just drop them right here. Next you want to size your footage into the canvas. Okay, so now I need to find the actual spot on this clip that I want to use.
Alberto.
And you come up here, make sure you select the clip, and then right here is where you cut it. I'm going to delete that part, and I'm going to move it down. And now
Alberto.
Okay, and that's all I want. So you can actually, there's so many ways that you can cut a clip down. You can either do like this and have the scrubber where you want to cut it. So I just choose to do it right here and then check
Alberto. In taking the woman.
Okay, and that's all I wanted. So in order to see where I actually want to cut it, because I don't want everything that's happening there, I just wanted the handshake. So
Alberto.
So I'm going to stop right there before the preacher starts speaking again, and I'm going to cut that part off.
Alberto.
That's all I wanted from that clip. I'm going to close the timeline down some so that I can see the other clip and see what I want. On this clip, this is the part that I actually want, is where he says, "You may now salute your bride."
You may now salute.
So you can tell right here, I'm going to cut it right there. Come right here. And all of this ahead of it, I don't need. So then I'm going to pull this down to connect with the first clip.
You may now salute your bride.
So I want all of this.
Still being shy? Look, you still being shy.
Ladies and gentlemen, I ask that you would stand as we receive for the.
So we just want the part where he says you're still being shy. So you're going to come here and
stand as we receive for the. I ask that you would stand as we receive for the.
And we're going to stop there. So now we want the next clip, which is the ending clip. And instead of scrolling all the way down, you can always come right here and bring everything in, all of the clips in closer. And now we're going to pull the part of the clip we want here.
You want help?
Yes.
Okay, and that's where we stop. So again, you make sure you have your clip selected, and we're going to cut it off, and we can delete the rest of it. So this is a short that is 22.0 seconds.
Alberto, you may now salute your bride.
You still being shy? Look, you still being shy?
Ladies and gentlemen, I ask that you would stand as we receive for the...
And we have our shy bride.
You want help?
So now what you can do is add some verbiage. So let's make it a little bit wider so you can see where you want to actually place your verbiage. So we're going to grab this right here. We want this particular style. We're going to bring it in because we don't want it on the whole clip. We just want it in a specific spot. And I'll say we can go from here to about here. And you begin to type what you actually want. And it will be the shy bride. You can come to the nodes here and just stretch it until it goes all the way across. I wanted mine all the way across, but depending on how you want to stylize that, it's up to you. So then you come over here on this side to your properties, and I'm choosing Lato, and I'm going to go heavy, and you see how all that's changing, and we're going to make it black. So we're going to see what that looks like.
Alberto, you may now salute your bride.
Okay, so the title is The Shy Bride. And then you can place it wherever you want. You see how you just grab it and just take it wherever you want it to land. And I'm going to leave it there. Also, you can do behaviors. You can make it fly in. You just come here and pull that down here. And let's see what happens.
Alberto, you may now salute.
And then fly out. Now you can change that by coming over here to your properties area, and you can change it when it comes in, during, and out. There's a lot more that you can do in Camtasia. You can add music, you can do transitions. However, I didn't want to get you too bogged down. I wanted to just show you how you can quickly create a short. So the last thing that you would do is actually export it. So you would come up here to the right, the top right corner, and you'll click on export. And these are the options that you have. If you look in this list, you can export it to a local file on your computer, or upload it directly to YouTube if you want to do that. And that's actually it. That's all you have to do. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.